This channel gets millions of views and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. In this video, I will tell you about each step, showing you all the tools that you can use. The peculiarity of this lesson is that you will be able to apply all the knowledge you have gained to create YouTube videos that can be monetized, whether they are short or longer videos. So let's get down to this lesson without further ado. A fascinating story always starts with a great script. I turned to ChatGPT for this because it's my way of quickly creating fantastic stories. I'll ask him to develop an introductory part for a horror story, making it as exciting as possible. And so, in the blink of an eye, our script is ready. Then I will ask him to generate hints that I can input into artificial intelligence to create visual effects that perfectly reflect each scene. Our script and hints are ready. Now it's time to breathe life into our creation when everything is ready. Let's move on to creating visual effects that will make our story come true. Let's start with the selection of images. I use Leonardo AI, a fantastic tool that always converts text into images of the highest quality. I suggest experimenting with different models to find the one that perfectly matches your style. But for now, let's start with this. We'll have the results in a few seconds. And they're really impressive. We upload these images and use the following hint from ChatGPT. Repeat the process when all the images are ready. Thanks to the excellent work of the tool, we can move on to the next step. The next step is to go back to ChatGPT and copy our original script for voicing the text. I will use 11 Labs for this. Go to 11 Labs, select the voice you like, and insert your script. Then click Generate. After uploading the voiceover, the next step will be to animate our images. Now it's time to give these images some movement. To do this, go back to Leonardo AI. Go back to the previously created image and click Create a Moving Video. I will add movement to the image and animate it. Repeat the process with all the images. Now let's move on to the final stages of making our film, namely the editing. We will use CapCut for this because it is incredibly user-friendly and has first-class free effects, transitions, and animations. Start by importing newly created visual effects into the CapCut control panel. The next step is to import the audio, add voiceovers, and design. Make sure that the image is synchronized with the sound. If necessary, you can slow down or speed up the video playback. Then cut out the empty and unnecessary pauses in the voiceover for a better rhythm. After importing all the visual effects, add transitions so that the scenes transition smoothly and naturally. For our project, I choose the overlay transition as it perfectly matches the style and mood of the video. Next, you can add effects to keep the audience's attention and create memorable content. I recommend the movie frame effects and the horror noise effect. Adjust the brightness and contrast or use filters to create dark transitions, apply distortion effects for disorientation or supernatural elements. Superimpose creepy sounds such as creaking doors or distant screams from the CapCut horror audio library. Use slow motion to emphasize tension and suspense. Immerse yourself in the search for creepy sounds and add those that match the mood. Crop the sound effects so that they blend harmoniously with the voiceover. I usually leave 3 to 5 sound effects so as not to overload the background. The sound effects should be less loud than the voiceover so that the narration remains clear. After setting the transitions, add chilling sound effects throughout the movie, selecting sounds for each scene. Adjust the volume of the sound effects to 40 to 45% for a harmonious combination with the voiceover. Crop each sound effect so that it fits perfectly into a specific scene. Now let's move on to adding titles. Select text, then auto captions, and click Generate. You can use standard templates and fonts or make changes to create a unique look. Everything is ready. Now you can export the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs, analyze and repeat step by step with me, grow, and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.